Hey guys, so I hope you brought your appetite with you because I have Mr. Snack Box Crunch Case. I am going to show you everything that is inside, and as you see here, it has the expiration date. It says the earliest expiration date for the items in here is January 18, 2019, and it has a total of 50 snacks inside. So the cutest thing about this is that it has this little suitcase here, and of course you can find this here on Amazon, and this is aka not sponsored. So this is just something, as I've mentioned in my previous unboxing videos, I like to purchase these things for my kids and see what's inside. Okay, so the first two items that I have here are the veggie straws in the sea salt flavor. And these are really, really good. The next two that I have are from Cheez-It. I have the white cheddar as well as the original. I have two original Rice Krispie treats. They got some yummy goodness in this box. The next one is from Rice Krispies as well. This is the chocolatey drizzle. Next, I have two of the fruit roll-ups. Then I have a from Quaker Oats. This is the chewy granola bar in chocolate chip. Next, I have from Lance. This is the peanut butter crackers. These are the goldfish cheddar. Oh, they have so many good snacks in this box. This was in my unboxing for the Frito-Lay. I believe this is the Grandma's Mini Sandwich Cream Cookies. Next, I have from Pringles. I have two of their Pringles here. I have the cheddar cheese as well as the sour cream. Sour cream is my favorite. Which one's your favorite? Oh, I have more here. Wait, I have some more from Pringles. I have two of the original Pringles. Up next, I have two small packs of Starburst. These are so good. I love Starburst. Up next, I have another this is another Starburst. This is the Favorites. I also have some more crackers here from Lance. This is another one of the peanut butter one I showed you earlier. And these are the toasty sandwich crackers here in peanut butter as well. Next, I have two. Oh, it seems like they have maybe like two of everything or four of everything, because I have two packs here of the Famous Amos. Love these so much. These are the chocolate chip. You guys know I love chocolate chip cookies. And they say everything is fresh. The earliest expiration is what, January 2019. Let's see. I also have another goldfish crackers from Pepperidge Farm. I have two of the crunchy oats and honey from Nature Valley. These are good. I don't know. It seems like a lot of these, when they're saying that there's like candy inside, I'm looking for a lot more candy than I am snacks. Don't get me wrong. These are really, really good, but I need to see some more like Skittles and stuff. I have another of the mini sandwich creams from Grandma's. I have some mini vanilla wafers. Okay, I have some Swedish Fish gummies, as well as some Welch's mixed fruit snacks. These are really good as well. I like those. My daughter loves these. I wonder if it's more. Oh, it's just one? It's just one. The one thing that I like the most, let's see, it's my daughter loves these Slim Jims. So from what I'm seeing, there's only one of the Slim Jims in here so far. Next, we have I never heard of these before. These are Gorditos. These are the original recipe snack mixes. They have like the different breads and stuff, like the breaded food, like pretzels. We have 2 from Austin's. These are some animal crackers. We have 2 packs of the Planters salted peanuts. Another cookie favorite of mine. 2 Nabisco cookies. I know I should resist these, but they call my name and I answer. The things that I've tasted so far were so fresh. Even fresher than the last unboxing that I did. Wow, they are good. So these are a favorite of mine from when I was a kid. I know when you guys see these, do they make you smile when you see the Airheads? But I have these in 3 different flavors. The next one I have another one of the Welch's mixed fruit. There's another one from Quaker. This is the chewy granola. This is the flavor of dark chocolate crunch. Love these, so good. And here is this the only one? Okay, I think this is the only one of the Sour Patch Kids. I'm not much of a fan of like sour candies or those candies that have that strong like apple flavor that's like really tart. I'm not a huge fan of those, so yeah. I am, however, a fan of Skittles, and they were able to put 2 of those in here. So I have them in 2 different flavors, wild berry and original. And last but not least, another childhood favorite. These are some Blow Pops, 1 watermelon and the other cherry. So these were some really good ones in here. I love the amount. I didn't do like a lot of taste testing on these just because of the fact that I grew up practically eating everything here. So to give you guys a breakdown on what I feel about the Mr. Snacks Crunch Case, I love that it comes in this box that looks like a little suitcase that has a little handle. Of course, I checked it. Oh, yay! There's another one. There's another Slim Jim. So yeah, I was excited. Good. 2 of those. As you can see, there is no ants or anything, so it's not like you have to worry about anything being unsanitary when you received it. Everything was packed nice and neat. You had a good selection of everything here. And of course, most importantly, everything was fresh. And it was really good for the price that you pay. And you cannot beat having 50 snacks for you, for a friend, it doesn't matter. This was really, really good. So shout out to Mr. Snacks. It was really good. I am definitely going to order them again in the future. And if you're interested in checking out Mr. Snacks and maybe getting some for yourself, then you can find a link down below in my description box that'll take you straight to Amazon where you can get one of those products. And also there is another link there if you have heard of Amazon but you've never signed up. Well, good news for you. You can get it for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can cancel it. But if you don't cancel it, then they're going to charge you the monthly subscription price. Well, guys, that is it for today. I am so glad that you all had taken the time out to watch this video. I've been doing freebies and wins and unboxings and product reviews for a year now. It was a year at the end of September. So a really big thank you to my subscribers. And once I reach 1,000 subs, then I will do a cash giveaway. So guys, I will see you all next time. Enjoy the rest of your week and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.